Hey traders, I hope you all are doing well. So, a quick update on natural gas, gold, and crude oil. Before I start my analysis, let me clarify something here. I got lots of messages from traders that how many signals do I send in the priority group. So, the first thing I want to clarify is it is not a signal group. It is mainly for the educational purposes. And so, in the group, I show you the entry patterns with the trade alerts. So, using those trade alerts, you see the entry, the candlestick pattern, and looking at those entry patterns, you take your other trades. So, for example, last week we took three trades. I sent three trade alerts. All three hit take profit. Before that, I sent five trade alerts. Four of them hit stop loss. Those were not only the five trades I have taken myself. I've already shown other trades with the same candlestick pattern, with the same entry pattern in the market. So if you are only joining the group just because of the signal services, trust me, it's not going to be profitable for you, because like this week we took two trades, one of them hit stop loss and one of them hit take profit. So it is only for education purposes. You receive these zones every week, the major zone from where the market is likely to react. Looking at these zones, you enter your trades according to the entry patterns you learn. So you will learn lots in the priority group. With that, you can also double check your entries with me if you are taking the right trade. If you have an entry condition, as you can see on the screens, this was a message I got from the trader that if that's a right entry or not. And as you can see this morning, I've told him that it is a valid entry and take your targets accordingly. And as you can see, this was an exact entry pattern you learn in the priority group. So this is what you will learn. Look for the conditions in the market. So with that being said, let's start our analysis with natural gas first. Okay, what do we have here? As per my yesterday's video, if you remember that I've said if we are broken above this box, then we are likely to push up and possibly reach the top level of resistance. And as you can see, we do not get any sort of double top here on 1 hour time frame. And if you look back on 4 hour time frame, market just straight away pushed up with the green candles. Now at this point, I'm looking at 1 hour time frame. Just mark your rejection zone, something like this, from the wick, the highest wick, till the body of the candle. Now you have this rejection zone. I want to see a hit of this zone and the candle that must not closed above this green box. The wick can go up, but the candle cannot close above. So once you have this move, I want to see red and green engulfing candle, something like this, a move like this here, or I want to see green or a pin bar. The color doesn't matter. If you have a pin bar here, and I want to see this move. Once we have this move, that's good to take your sell trades. But if we are broken above this box, close above this box, in that case, that pattern will be invalid. As long as we are in this zone, then we will look for engulfers. If the double top pattern is invalid, then if we are still in the zone, we will look for engulfing, bearish engulfing pattern. And if we are completely broken above with two candles, then in that case, we will look for buy trades only with a retest of this zone. So keep an eye here, double top with sell trades. If we are broken above and still in this zone, the price pulls back here with an engulfing candle, we will take sell trades. I will keep you guys updated with the moves. Now, if you look at 4 hour time frame, I can't see any sort of entry here unless or until we have a push up, then few candle pull back, then push up. In that case, we will have an entry, or once we have a close of this candle, market push up, and then we have a big bearish engulfing candle. That would be your good sell signal. With that, we also got overbought situation, and that is why if we have an engulfing candle here on 4 hour time frame, you might see another green candle and then a red candle to take sell trade. So keep an eye on both conditions. Right here on Awanda, similar move, just mark your rejection zones like this, and rest everything is same. Look for engulfers, pin bars, or a 382 candle within this rejection zone. Take your sell trades. Let's check gold. Okay, awesome. What do we have? We have market is still in the buying zone. As you can see, we have 50 and 20 EMA support. We do have an engulfing candle. That is why I expect a little push up, maybe $5 move up. The ATR of this candle is 7. We might see a $7 move up from here looking at this engulfing candle. And once you hit 50 EMA, you can expect a push down again. Once we are broken below 1769.76, in that case, we will start looking for trend continuation, sell trades. If the market pushed up from this engulfing candle, broken above 50 and 20 EMA both, in that case, we look for buying trades. So at this point, not taking sell trade at this point because we are still in this decision area. Once we are completely broken below, then it's a good point to take sell trade. Yes, we are broken below 50 EMA, but still in the buying area. Let's check crude oil. Okay, at this point, crude oil is in the minor zone. If you get engulfing candle, that's your entry. At this point, the area is 1.7, so you can only expect $1.7 move up if you get an engulfing candle here. This is the minor zone and that can be broken easily, but below that we have a major zone. Let me quickly show you that. 83.44, 185 goes up to 85.290. If the market keeps on pushing down and reach this zone, then this is the zone from where I look for an entry reason as aggressive entry. We learn in the priority group, or we can see a double bottom pattern here as well. So keep these zones here on your charts. If you see an entry here, you can enter with an engulfing candle, or if market falls here, this is the zone from where I will look to enter aggressively. So that's all for commodity market, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.